Hi guys, I'm super excited and I'm happy to have you guys here. I'll be your instructor for a product design course for the next 16 weeks. And I've been able to group the 16 weeks into 4 modules. So we'll be going through each and every of the module and then we'll see everything that we need to learn. So my duty is to equip you guys with the basic skills that you need to become a product designer. Even though we are looking at the beginners level right now, but what I really want to achieve is to give you a very good and a solid foundation, so that by the end of the day, you'll be able to move from this point to the next point. So let's begin. Let's look at the model and see what we have.